Hello, learners of mathematics. Welcome to session 2 of Unit 6 Feedback when Marking. I am Munkaila Daswani, your course instructor for this course. At the end of this session, you should be able to identify some ways of providing feedback to students, explain some benefits of providing feedback, and also discuss the merits and demerits of using comments only in providing feedback to students. Feedback refers to a response, a comment, or reactions, either written or verbal, that a teacher provides students based upon something said or written. So, for instance, feedback occurs when students have offered something by way of answering some questions on a homework or test. As a teacher, you can provide the feedback to students in either the marks or grade you mark with graded assignment or comments. The comments can be written or verbal only, and also a combination of the two. Either you provide marks and also comments. So in order for you as a teacher to support your students' learning, you have to react to your students' work so they know whether they are on the right track or not. So we are looking at ways of providing feedback. The first one is the use of marks. And you know the use of marks involve assigning numbers. Maybe you mark 6 out of 10, 3 out of 10. Grades, you can also use grade, that is A1, A, B2, and the rest to student. Other case they have A1, A, B2, B3, and the rest. So the numbers or grades are meant to serve as an indicator of how well students have mastered what has been taught. So marks therefore give an idea of how much a student has mastered, and that's the essence of giving marks. The second is comments only, particularly written. This can be verbal, but the written is the most important. This involves providing feedback to individual students based upon their strengths on particular items that you want to focus the attention on for further learning. In providing comments to your students as a teacher, you need to indicate why he or she got a question correct and also what can be done by the individual student to improve going forward or subsequent lessons. So it's very, very important. For instance, a teacher can comment as follows. You have correctly derived the midpoint theorem using a regular shape or closed figures. Can you verify whether it applies to irregular shaped figures? You see, you can do something like that. However, this practice can be quite challenging for teachers new to it. If you're a new teacher, you should be very careful how to use it. So teachers have to gain an in-depth understanding of the nature of students' errors or misunderstanding before you can use this kind of strategy, but it's very, very important. The next one is the use of a combination of comments and marks. So here, student work is designed or assigned marks or grades in addition to comment being provided. Students therefore know how well they perform on a text relative to others, while having comments that indicate areas of strength and weakness. A disadvantage of this is that students tend to focus on their marks or grades and not the written feedback which supports their learning. Most of them, when they take their paper, they want to see how much they had, the score, the percentage score, instead of focusing on the comment the teacher has written there. That will guide them in their future learning. Benefits of using comment as a medium of giving feedback instead of marks. The use of comments only, which focuses on what needs to be done, can encourage all to believe that they can improve. According to Black et al., page 46. This feedback has the potential to improve learning outcomes for all students in the sense that each individual knows what should be done to improve relative to the identified strengths and weaknesses. That's on the individual basis. So you can provide feedback in number of ways, that is marks or grades, a comment that's written or verbal only, and also a combination of both marks and comment. And we say that a combination of both marks and comments are the best as far as assessment is concerned.